What's up, cutie? Welcome back to the YouTube channel that I call Zosh. I hope you guys enjoying your day so far, because it's about to get a whole lot
fucking trash, dog.
Yup, that's exactly what it's about to get, because I don't know what's going on. But what I know what's going on in this video right here, shouty. This video right here? Oh, this video right here? Yeah. We finally got some RSX content farting your way. What I have in this box is my PLM power-driven header. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. And what I have in this box is my SKUNK2 Mega Power RR exhaust, baby. Do you see that right there? Do you? Hold on, let me show y'all. Look at that. Ooh, woo. So that's what old girl getting worked on today. She's finally gonna have an exhaust. Then from there we gotta get RBC manifold. Then I got all my hybrid racing parts. So we gotta put on cold air intake, fuel rail, fuel line tuck kit, and I still gotta mail off the gift. So if you want some giveaway stuff and you haven't got it yet, that's because I've just, and bro, hey, bear with me, bro. Just bear with me. Dude, I just love these bonnet shocks. It just looks so good. So cool. Let me get you guys a cold start of the RSX with the stock exhaust with just a muffler. Well, first time for everything. The first time I'm working on the RSX since I've owned it for the past 7 months. Wow, I've had this car for 7 months. Jeez, that's a long time. First time it's ever been worked on in the garage. And man, I want to make this thing nice. I really want to like relocate the battery. I want to make the RSX nice, man. Give you guys some inspiration out there who got RSX and want to make it dope. Cause that right there, that old girl, yeah, the bonnet is popped, but like that old girl is beautiful. I need to make the RSX look like it's older sister, but it is what it is. Your time will come, baby girl. I'm about to be 25 years old and I still refer to cars as women. If that don't tell you anything about my life, it should. It should. So when it comes down to a stock RSX, we have header bolt to remove, right? Well, heat shield bolt right there. There's one underneath. Oh, you guys can't see anything. God, I got like dirt in this lens or something. Showing you guys on how to do all this is gonna be kind of difficult, but there's a heat shield up top we gotta remove. I think that's a 10 or 12 mil bolt. Probably a 12 mil. I don't know, probably a 10. Usually on B series and you know, stuff like that, it's a 10 mil. B, D, H series, 10 mil bolt. And then on the bottom, we have, you know, bolt right there. Oh, you guys can't see shit. Jesus, God, this is so lame. All right, you guys can't see anything, but I'll be sure to show you guys once I'm at that step of removing all this stuff. But it's a freak show, Girl, let me suck your toe. Whoa, got a little light now, playboy. Show y'all what's going on, what's bracking lacking. Okay, so I had to remove the 2 exhaust flanges. Actually, one broke off over there, if you guys can see it. Other one came off nice and easy. Took off the heat shield, the bracket that holds this bolt to the block. Took that off. Don't know where I put it. Now we gotta loosen out this hanger right there, and then O2 sensors gotta come loose. And oh god, this is gonna be a mess. God, I hate O2 sensors, because I'm just not. But we're almost there. The header is ready to come out. Well, far it out. Bro, do you see that leak right there, bro? I'm going, oh. Look at that. I gotta fix my axle seal today. So I'm gonna do my axle seal today as well. There goes RIP RIP alignment. But it is what it is, shout. So let's get to work on fixing it. I got the rear all jacked up. I just disconnected the axle back. So in case you want to just, you know, take off your stock RSX exhaust, or you want to hear how an RSX exhaust sounds without a muffler, like a muffler delete, here you go. You're welcome. Yeah, never mind. That's actually pretty loud. Never mind. That ain't happening, folk. Your best bet to hear that is YouTube. I'm sorry. That would have been way too loud, and the way my living situation is set up, can't have that, playboy. So let me just finish the rest of disconnecting this exhaust, and So I managed to ruin both my O2 sensors, but they are out. Yeah, well, this isn't ruined. I just gotta plug this back into the socket. Yeah, it's not ruined. It's not even gonna focus. Oh, there we go. This one, however, yeah, the way this one is set up, if it focuses, and it's not gonna, there we go, clapped. So, I already know what kind of day I'm gonna have right now. Now, the funnest part of them all, unboxing the new stuff. So here I have my brand new PLM header. Shout out to PLM, they done worked with me, I emailed them, and they gave me a sweet discount. Shout out to PLM. I mean, yeah, granted it took like 1,000 years to get here. That was because we had a miscommunication. But here we have, oh baby. Woo, got gaskets right here, let's go. We got the header right here, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this header, bruh. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. I started at like 11:30, 12 o'clock. It's 4:24, and I just got the header on. For the header, it's not that bad as I thought it would be. All you really have to do, if you have the PLM power driven header, which I highly recommend, because they help your boy out. But drop the subframe, the 14 millimeter bolts, and then the header just pretty much simple to go in. So that's what I did. And it's, you guys probably can't see anything, of course, but hopefully with facing the light, it's installed. The header is installed. Lighting is so but now it's time to unbox that SKUNK2 Mega Power Playboy and hook this hoe up. And voila, here we have our brand used SKUNK2 Mega Power RR exhaust. Oh my God, I can't wait to slap this hoe on, Playboy. This is gonna be nice. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's get into doing this, man. So I went ahead and pretty much did everything, but lo and behold, I ran into an issue that's gonna require me spending some money tomorrow at the muffler shop. Let me show you what's going on. You guys can see that? That's the issue I'm having. So what I'm gonna have to do tomorrow is have Mario somehow weld that together. I'm just gonna get that piece welded together because I feel like that's the easiest way to go. But other than that, everything else is attached, good, ready to go. I can start it and drive it, but it's just basically gonna be open header, and I cannot have that, especially where I live. But it's all said and done. Tomorrow I just gotta go to the muffler shop early in the morning, open header, basically, and yep, that's what's gonna be it. So now I can't do anything else to the car, so what I'm going to do is lower it on all fours, and that's it. The only thing I can't do until tomorrow morning. I am not ready. Yo, Plies is the GOAT. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day. It's like 11 o'clock. I woke up at 9, raised the car. I had to keep adjusting the fronts. But the front's not that bad. I'll probably keep the front here, but the rear, however, oof. But now, you guys can probably see, look at that. So, once I go to the exhaust shop, get that, welded up best way I could, we can come back home and lower the car and see what I got to do to, make it look good. Cause that right there, that's not it, brother. That is not it at all. Sounds like Dookie. driven open header, kind of. I mean, some of the exhaust is going into the SKUNK2, but like, it's like maybe 70-30 right now. It's loud. It's like shit though. I don't like it. Just left the exhaust shop. Man, it sounds good. I gotta check engine light because I ain't got no O2 sensors. I'm just gonna run no O2 until I get a wideband. So it is what it is. Now I won't have a beautiful cluster setup until I get K-Pro. I gotta get K-Pro. I gotta get RBC. I got my hybrid parts. All I need is my RBC, and I got quote unquote full bolt-ons, intake, header, exhaust. Full bolt-ons would be like turbo kits, anything you could bolt on to the car to make it quote unquote full bolt-ons. But down here in South Florida, you got bolt-ons. I mean, you got intake, you got header, and you got exhaust. All I got now is header and exhaust. Man, this sounds so good. This PLM power driven header paired with this SKUNK2 Mega Power RR exhaust. This sounds damn good. Gonna do a pull right here, little second gear pull. See how she does. The steering on this car is kind of sketchy. I hope it sounds good. It feels damn good.
How y'all boys doing today? What's up, vlog world? Let me know if y'all want me to start vlogging. Simple. Y'all seen the car. Don't mind the lift. I just ate chicken. Don't worry about it. But y'all seen the car. I don't know when the build video is gonna start soon, but hey, what's up, vlog? I know you missed me. Glee. Woo! Zosh is fast. He's very fast. That boy fast.
It's good. You want some? Eat, nigga! And that is it, everybody. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. Before I end the video, I have to close this out with the man, Andy Van. My man, Andy Van. This video actually wouldn't even be possible if it wasn't for this man right here. My man said, hey, what's good, Percy? I hope you like the new exhaust. The welds are trash, LMAO, but no leaks for sure. Dead ass, only had the exhaust on my car for like 2 months, so it's pretty new still. Been watching your videos and your growth since I was 14 years old. I'm 20 now. Damn, I feel like an OG. And dog, you have helped me a lot on my journey through life. Alright, I'm gonna keep this short, but I'm looking forward to that install reaction video. Hopefully we'll meet someday. Andy, whoa, pause. I hope we don't meet. I hope we link up. You see? Beautiful, man. I know the paper looks trash, but Andy, I appreciate you. And he also told me to tell Randy, that bit move. That bit do be moving though. Andy, bro, I appreciate you. This video is in your honor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for making this possible. He reached out to me. He's like, hey man, I got a SKUNK2 Mega Power exhaust. I want to gift you. I was like, yo, how much? Gift you, fool. I was like, all right, I pay for shipping. Don't even worry about it, playboy. Damn, that's it. Man, Andy, I appreciate you, bro. And huge shout out to PLM for coming on board. Whoa. For forwarding on board and offering your boy a sweet discount on their PLM power-driven header. Link down below to PLM to place your order today. I don't have a discount code, but yo, y'all see how the car sounds. It's nice. It fit perfect. It sounds good. Thankful. Thank you guys. Thank you to everybody at home watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video, subscribe, and you got something. And I know my nose ring looks huge. It's only because I have a grommet, like a little O-ring, I would say, since I'm a car guy. It's an O-ring keeping it from sinking in my nose because I have a African-American nose. So like, you know, yeah, so that's why the nose ring looks so huge instead of when I first got it done, it's so small and cute. But hey, it is what it is, y'all. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out. Peace.